Facing the TikTok server is currently unavailable or server upgrading error on your iPhone? This typically occurs because of TikTok server maintenance, a brief outage, or network issues on your device. Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the server upgrading error and get TikTok back up and running on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check the issue. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app again. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow my last solution. Solution 3. Check Down Detector. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type Down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link, then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see that officially TikTok app is down or not. If you see that the TikTok app is officially down, then you have to wait for a few times. The TikTok team will solve this ASAP. That's how you can fix the TikTok server is currently unavailable error on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.